Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify app with Claude Code. First, create a Shopify Partners account by going to the Shopify Partners site, signing up, and then creating a development store. This lets you safely test your app without affecting a live store. Next, set up your project by opening the terminal, then create a folder with mkdir Shopify-app. Go inside it using cd Shopify-app. Initialize the project with npm init-y and install the necessary packages with npm install express.env axios. This gives you a basic backend setup to start building your app. Now generate your Shopify app using Claude AI by running a prompt like create a Shopify app using Node.js with auth authentication and API integration. Claude will generate the full app server code, including the OAuth flow and Shopify API calls. After that, configure your Shopify app in the Shopify Partner dashboard. Create a new app and get the API key and API secret. Then add them to a .env file as you can see on your screen. Next, connect your app to your Shopify store by asking Claude to create the connection using the Shopify API to fetch products and orders. With this, you can build features like product management, order tracking, and store automation. Finally, run and test your API by starting the server with node-index.js, installing the app on your development store, and testing all features such as fetching products, checking orders, and automating tasks. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.